Welcome to Ingram ID. Ready to promote your book? By creating an account, you've now unlocked new possibilities for marketing your book and reaching new readers. Let's get started.
To create a Google search ad in Ingram ID, click on Create Campaign on the left. Then name your campaign. Make sure your campaign name is unique and recognizable, such as the title of your book, so you can easily find it later. I want to promote a book named The Calamity Club, so that's what I'm naming this campaign. After that, search our database for the book you want to promote. If your book is in our database, search results will appear and some of the book's information will automatically be added into your ad. If your book is not in our database, you can choose to add your book manually. You will need to enter your book's information later in the process instead. You can search by using the book's title, author name, or ISBN. When you find the book you want to promote, click on it to select it, then click on the Add Title button. After that, click on the Continue button. Next, determine if you want to create your campaign with our AI-powered ad generator or if you want to create the campaign yourself. In this example, we will choose to create a campaign with AI. You will then fill out a brief questionnaire about your campaign and provide the URL of where users will buy your book. Note that the URL must be a valid and approved URL directing to a product page or supported retail site. Examples of an approved website are shop.ingramspark.com, bookshop.org, indiepubs.com, barnesandnoble.com, target.com, thriftbooks.com, amazon.com, and walmart.com. Click on the Set Up My Campaign button at the bottom of the page to proceed. While waiting a few seconds for our system to create your AI-generated ad, you have the option to play a quick word game. Once your ads have been created, you will see a message that says your ads are ready with the Continue button. Click the Continue button. You will then be presented with your AI-generated ads optimized for Facebook, Instagram, and Google Search. Since we will be setting up a Google Search ad, click on the box next to Google Search. Then click the Continue with Selected Ads button at the bottom. Next, click on the Review AI-generated ad button. Here, you will review and make any desired changes to the AI-generated ad. Step 1 is the content for your Google Search ad. Headlines are the first line of copy on the Google Search ad. The description is copy that supports your headline and provides additional details of your book. If you made a copy change to the headlines or descriptions but would like to change it back to the AI-generated copy, you can do this by clicking the Restore buttons. In Step 2, we've selected keywords for your Google Search ad. Keywords are words that are used to match your ad with the terms people are searching for. If there are any keywords that our AI generator selected for your ad that you don't want used, feel free to remove them. You can also add your own keywords or add any of the keywords from the Keyword Ideas section. Your ad needs at least 20 keywords. In Step 3, choose when your ad will start, end, and the budget for it. Then click on the box to confirm and approve your ad. Next, click on the Save and Return to Cart button. Now, you are ready to pay for your campaign. You will do this by clicking on the Proceed to Checkout button. Lastly, enter your payment information to complete the setup of your campaign.